For this year's Ice Cream Soda Day, let's remember this treat isn't just for kids. I'm Montalbano for Buzz60, and here are some adult ways to celebrate Ice Cream Soda Day with your favorite beverage. If red wine is your thing, add some vanilla ice cream. Or if you're in the mood for a crisp, fruity white wine, add some scoops of lemon sorbet to your glass for a refreshing kick. Fancy some bubbles? Make a Bellini float with champagne and peach sorbet. If you like a good stout beer, pour it over chocolate ice cream. Go with dark chocolate ice cream to make a float with bourbon and add black cherry soda for the win. A White Russian is easy to turn into a float with coffee ice cream. Just add vodka, cream, and a splash of soda water. Make a pina colada float with coconut ice cream, rum, pineapple juice, and soda water. And if you want something more classic, spike an old-fashioned vanilla ice cream root beer float with Kahlua. Who says adults can't have any fun? Buzz60. Now you know. Pass it on.